You are truly great, having successfully completed the fundamental Darwinex ZERO course. And you want more. Alright, I must inform you that this video serves merely as an introduction to the subsequent modules of the Darwinex ZERO course. For those new to the channel who have found this video, I strongly advise you to first review the foundational course, which will cover the essential principles underpinning the Darwinex ZERO trading model and its underlying philosophy. Once you have all your doubts resolved, return to this video. To our long-time channel members, we will now delve deeply into Darwinex ZERO. All the keys and intricacies of its operation, distribution of assignments, seed capital, multiplier, how our target bar is calculated based on the maximum and minimum bar. We'll also examine divergence and its impact on acquiring and retaining investor capital, as well as correlation and strategies to mitigate it. Furthermore, we will explore the two-tiered operation of the risk management engine, encompassing both the closing rate and leverage. All of it. But before we start, I want to make one thing clear. What we saw in the basic course is already sufficient to operate in Darwinex ZERO. The material presented at this advanced level is intended solely for individuals seeking comprehensive details about the platform and the rationale behind specific methodologies. In other words, it is advisable to know all this in case at some point you need to make any adjustments, modifications, or adaptations in your operations, but, very important, do not obsess over the metrics. Now then, we shall see you. Here,